Today I'm going to show you how to make cream peas and tuna over toast. It's a quick and easy meal. This is how we do it. We're going to start off with 1/4 cup of butter. I'm going to get that melted on low heat. While that's doing that, I'm going to drain a can of tuna. All right, now that our butter has melted, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of flour. You're going to want to blend this in really quick and really well so it doesn't get stuck. You don't want any lumps in there. Okay, now we're going to slowly blend in 2 cups of milk. Okay, we're going to let that get up to temperature. And you're going to want to make sure that you either whisk it or stir it so that it doesn't have any lumps. Okay, while that's coming to temperature, I'm going to hurry and add in some pepper. That's probably about a half a teaspoon. This is coarse though, so if you want to add a little bit more or a little less depending on the pepper you're using, by all means. There we go. Okay, so it's gonna end up being like a white sauce, right? So we're almost there. It's a little bit runnier than I like it. So we're just gonna keep going just a little longer. There we go. See how it's kind of a gravy looking? Just a little like a thin gravy. That's kind of what you want. I'm gonna turn the heat off and I'm gonna add in our can of tuna. Give that a good stir, and then I've got a cup of peas. These are the fresh or frozen. Don't use your canned stuff. That's no bueno. Okay, I'm gonna take that off the heat. I'm just gonna let it sit there for just a sec and get happy. I'm gonna make some toast. All right, so there's that. All right, there's our toast. Now, if you want to break them up in little pieces first, that is a-okay. I've done both. Sometimes I just don't wanna have to fight with the knife and fork. I just want to shove it in my face. No judgment here. Then we spoon our mixture over the top. If you like tuna noodle casserole, it's similar to that, only with the bread instead of the noodles. Sounds a little odd, I know, but it's actually really, really good. So I do hear of people eating this for breakfast minus the peas. Good protein and all that. It's a very cheap, fast, and easy meal. Lots of protein. All right, here we go. Yep. That's what I remember growing up on. I love this. I love this stuff. This is great. So, let me know if you try it. And any adjustments that you make. I'd like to know what other variations you have in mind for it, but I'm gonna shut up now because I'm losing my words. I'm gonna eat.